Welcome! In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to mute a chat on Google Chat using your PC, all based on the latest update. Whether you're trying to stay focused or simply reduce notifications from a busy conversation, these steps will help you get it done in seconds. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account connected to your chat conversations. Once you're on the home page, look near the top right corner of the screen and locate the 9 dots icon, the grid that opens the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots, and from the list that appears, select Chat. This will open Google Chat in a new tab or within your Gmail window, depending on your settings. After Google Chat loads, you'll see all your active conversations listed on the left side of the screen. Find the chat you want to mute. It could be a one-on-one message or a group chat. Next, hover your mouse over the chat name. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to it. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down list of actions. Within that menu, you'll find an option labeled Mute. Click on Mute, and just like that, notifications for that conversation will stop appearing. You will still receive messages in that chat, but you won't be disturbed by sound alerts or pop-up notifications. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, simply repeat the same steps. Open the 3 dots menu beside the chat, and this time, click Unmute. Muting a chat can be incredibly useful when you're joining multiple discussions but don't want constant interruptions. It keeps your workflow smooth and your focus exactly where it needs to be. That's all it takes. You've just learned how to mute a chat on Google Chat on your PC using the new update. Thanks for watching.